It started in January. What's happened since then?
LoCITY has generated, even though I say it myself, some remarkable traction, I think, for such a new programme.
The low emission zones will affect everyone who lives and comes into London because air quality is important to us all.
Without LoCITY, industry is left to its own devices to try and meet the ULEZ standards in 2020.
The Ultra Low Emission Zone, or ULEZ, provides us with an opportunity to stimulate the low emission vehicle market, as well as increasing the proportion of zero emission capable vehicles on our streets. TfL is working with suppliers to deliver 150 rapid charge points in London by the end of 2018 and 300 by the end of 2020.
What LoCITY really is all about is looking above and beyond ULEZ. What else can be done? How do we get to zero emissions? What is aspirationally achievable rather than just the bare minimum you need to operate in central London?
It's great to see examples of low emission vehicles already being used in London today.
We really are very technology neutral. We are not interested in one technology over another. We're interested in whatever meets our targets, whatever meets our goals.
We had two principal objectives for this research, and that was intended to feed into a greater understanding of exactly what LoCITY could be doing, should be doing to support greater uptake. For most organisations there were multiple benefits. In addition to the 14% of operators that we spoke to who have already uptaken ULEVs, there were an additional 33% approximately who were planning to do so within the next couple of years.
The overarching barrier is the lack of clarity on what do we mean by low emission truck, what is meant by low and ultra low emission vehicles. And once this is all clear, then the policy consistent with this definition can be put in place.
Over the last year or so, the low CVP has been working on a standard approach to assess commercial vehicles. We'll be publishing lists of accredited technology and actually taking those forward and helping operators find the technologies that can work in their fleets. It's about celebrating where technologies work and the success that they bring.
LoCITY could look at total vehicle emissions, not just tailpipe emissions.
I think LoCITY should be widened to be a country-wide organisation.
London is introducing the world's first ultra-low emission zone, but of course we don't have all the answers. There is no doubt there are brilliant things happening in other cities across the country, across Europe and across the world, and we need to always learn from each other, because this is an area where actually there isn't a competitive advantage. This is just about human well-being.
It's not national governments where we're going to find the innovation and the progressive thinking so much. It's going to be the cities. It's not just now about transport for the sake of transport. It's about the kind of cities that people want to live in, that people want to work in, that can to attract investment. I think we also have had quite a fragmented approach across the city region. I think there's more that as cities we can do to share the approaches that people are taking on this difficult issue.
The challenges are exactly the same no matter where you are. We want to achieve that livable city.
LoCITY is a work in progress, but it's already captured the imagination. I would simply say continue to participate, keep up the momentum.
I am confident that LoCITY can substantially improve London's air quality and, most importantly, help save lives going forward.